Good morning, class. Today I will continue line-wise explanation of the chapter proposal. Natalia, excuse me my interrupting you. You say my auction meadows, but are they yours? Natalia interrupts in the talking of the Lomov and says that, are you sure कि auction meadows belongs to you? Lomov, yes, mine. Natalia, what are you talking about? Auction meadows are ours, not yours. Natalia is not ready to accept that auction meadows belongs to Lomov. She insists again and again and says that it's mine. Lomov, no, mine, honored Natalia Stepanova. Natalia, well, I never knew that before. How do you make that out? Natalia says that I cannot believe, and how can you prove that that land is yours? Lomov, how? I am speaking of those auction meadows which are wedged in between your Birchwood and Burt marshes. Birchwood and Burt marshes, they are also land. He says that I am talking about the auction meadows which is situated between the Birchwood and marshes and Burnt marshes. Natalia, yes, they are ours. Lomov, no, you are mistaken, honored Natalia Stepanova. They are mine. Natalia, just think, Ivan Vaslovich, how long have they been yours? Lomov, how long? As long as I can remember. Natalia, really you won't get me to believe that. Natalia says that you cannot make me believe. Lomov, you can see from documents, honored Natalia Stepanova, auction meadows, it's true, were once the subject of dispute, but now everybody knows that they are mine. There is nothing to argue about. You see, my aunt's grandmother gave free use of these meadows in perpetuity to peasants of your father's grandfather, in return for which they were to make bricks for her. The peasants belonging to your father's grandfather had free use of meadows for 40 years and had got into the habit of regarding them as their own when it happened that. Lomov tells a story about the ownership of the auction meadows and says that my aunt's grandmother had given auction meadows to your father's grandfather's peasants because they were making bricks for my aunt's grandmother, and they plowed that land for 40 years. So they think that that land is theirs, but really that land is registered to my name. I have documents of that land, so it's mine. Natalia, no, it isn't at all like that. Both grandfather and great grandfather reckoned means understood that their land extended to Burnt Marsh, which means that auction meadows were ours. I don't see what there is to argue about. It's simple, silly. Natalia directly refused the claim of the Lomov that auction meadows is his. She says that the auction meadows which is situated between Birchwood and Burt marshes, that auction meadows is mine. There is no matter to argue about. It's clear, obvious. Lomov, I shall show you document, Natalia Stepanova. Lomov threatens Natalia that he can show her the documents of that land. That land is registered to my name. Natalia, no, you are simply joking or making fun of me. What a surprise. We have had the land for nearly 300 years, and then we are suddenly told that it isn't ours. Ivan Vaslovich, I can hardly believe my own ears. These meadows aren't worth much to me. They are only come to 5 descendants and are worth perhaps 300 rubles, but I cannot stand unfairness. Say what you will. I can't stand unfairness. Natalia says that That land, the cost of that land is not much. The cost of that land is only 300 rubles, and it does not has much importance for me. But here the matter is fairness, and you want to take my land unfairly, so I can't accept it. Otherwise, the cost of the land is only 300 rubles. It's not much for me. Lomo, hear me out. I implore you. Implore means request you. The peasants. Peasants means farmers of your father's grandfather. As I have already had honor of the explaining to you, used to bake bricks for my aunt's grandmother. Now my aunt's grandmother wishing to make them a pleasant. Once again, Lomo told the story about her aunts and grandfathers, but Natalia did not believe that. Natalia says, I can't make her head or tail of this about aunts and grandfathers and grandmothers. Meadows are ours, that's all. Lomo, mine. Natalia, ours. You can go on proving it for 2 days end. You can go and put on 15 jackets. But I tell they are ours, ours, ours. I don't want anything of yours, and I don't want to give anything of mine. So there. Natalia directly refuses that she cannot accept that that land is yours. She says again and again that that land is her, and she says that whatever Lomob may do, but that land is her. Lomob, Natalia Stepanova, I don't want meadows, but I am acting on principle. Principle means here motto, doctrine, siddhant. If you like, I make you a present of them. Natalia says that that land has no much importance for me. Oh, sorry. Lomob says that that land has no much importance for me. I can give you that land as a present, as a gift. But here I am fighting for that land because it is matter of principle. Natalia, I can make you present of them myself because they are mine. Natalia also says that she can give that land to you as a gift, but because that land is her, not your. Your behavior, Ivan Veslovich, is strange, to say the least. Up to this, we have always thought of you as a good neighbor, a friend. Last year, we lent you our threshing machine, although on that account we had to put off our own threshing till November. But you behaved to us as if we were gypsies. Gypsies means one who wander from one place to another. Giving me my own land. Indeed. No, really, that's not all neighborly. In my opinion, it's even impudent if you want to know. Here Natalia says that I think that you are a good neighbor. I had lent you my threshing machine, and due to giving threshing machine to you, my threshing that completed till November, but you did not behave like a good neighbor. You think we all are gypsies. You are very impudent. You are not a good neighbor. Now I came to know about your reality. Lomo, then you make out that I am land grabber. Madam, never in my life have I grabbed anybody's else land, and I shan't allow anybody to accuse me of having done so. Quickly steps to the carafe and drinks more water. Oxen meadows are mine. Lomob gets excited and he says that you are accusing me a land grabber. Land grabber means one who takes someone's land forcibly. And he says that I have never taken or encroached anyone's land in his life. And then he becomes excited and he drinks some water. Natalia, it's not true. They are ours. Lomob, mine. Natalia, it's not true. I'll prove it. I'll send my mowers. Mowers means one who cut the grass. They are known as the mowers. I will send my laborers to that field to cut the grass. Meadows this very day. Lomo, what? Natalia, my movers will be there this very day. Lomov, I shall give it to them in the neck. Lomov says that I will beat them if they will go, if they will enter in the auction meadows. Natalia, you dare? You dare to do that? Lomov clutches his heart. Auction meadows are mine and you understand mine. Now Lomov has the attack of the palpitation, so he starts feeling some pain in his heart. Natalia, please don't shout. You can shout yourself horse. Horse means here very rough in your own house. But here I must ask you to restrain. Restrain means control yourself. Natalia says that it is not your house, it's my house, so you cannot shout as loud as you wish and control about your shouting. Lomo, if it wasn't, madam, for this awful and excruciating palpitation, if my whole inside wasn't upset, I would talk to you in different way. Else means he cried, shouted, auction meadows are mine. Now Lomov has the attack of the palpitation. What is palpitation? It is a heart disease. When someone has an attack of palpitation, his heartbeats increases. And Lomov says that if my heartbeats would not have increases, then I had treated with you in a different way. Natalia says, ours, Lomov, mine. Natalia, ours, Lomov, mine. Enters Chubukov. And then Chubukov comes. Chubukov, what's the matter? What are you shouting for? Natalia, Papa, please tell this gentleman who owns the auction meadows, we or he. Chubukov, Lomov, darling, meadows are ours. Chubukov also start saying that auction meadows is not Lomov's, but auction meadows belongs to him. Lomov, but please, Stepan Stepanovich, how can they be yours? Don't be reasonable, my man. My aunt's grandmother gave the meadows for the temporary and free use of your grandfather's father. The peasants used the land for 40 years and got accustomed to it as it were their own when it happened that. Lomov once again told the story about the ownership of that auction meadows. He told that his aunt's grandmother had given that land to his father's grandfather for free using, and the Chubukov's father's grandfather used to make bricks for her aunt's grandmother, and they used that land for more than 40 years, though, so they start saying that that land belongs to them, but really that land belongs to his aunt's grandmother, and it is registered to the name of Lomov. Chubukov, excuse me, my precious, you forget just this, that the peasant didn't pay your grandmother and all that because meadows were in dispute and so on. And now everybody knows that they are ours. It means that you haven't seen the plan. Chubukov says that my father's grandfather's peasants had paid your aunt's grandmother, and now it is clear that that land is not your but it's mine. There is no dispute about that. Lomo, I'll prove to you that they are mine. Chubukov, you won't prove it, my darling. Lomo, I shall. Chubukov, dear one, why L like that? L means why shout like that? You don't prove anything just by yelling. Chubukov says that only you can yell, you can shout, but you cannot prove anything. I don't want anything of yours and don't intend. Intend means want to give up what I have. Chubukov says that I don't want to take your land, but I don't want to give my land also. Why should I? And you know, my beloved, that if you propose to go on arguing about it, I would much sooner give up the meadows to the peasants than to you there. Chubukov says that if you will shout like that, then I will give that land to the peasants. Peasant means farmers, but I will not give to you.